Hello, good morning. We're going to try to go to Sampaloc again for second attempt. You know, that's my buddy, Arturo, and Ruel Esperto over there.
Yeah, this is fun. We're going again here in Sampaloc for the first time. And here it's not the second time. First time is first disaster. Now, I think it's fine. Okay, here's Mr. Esperto and my bag.
This is my first time to go in Sampaloc Tanay. Well, very easy. Right now, very easy. Maybe up there, very hard.
Okay, let's go on.
Rock and roll. So, you see my companion, one of my companions. We're going to Sampaloc Tanay. Yeah.
Yeah, we are here. We done a good job here. Maybe we'll accomplish our.
Masarap na siya ulit sa ganito. Napango ka talaga. Akala ko maglalakad na ako dito. Malapit na. Masandro. Check mo pare. Dito na kami tumingin.
Yeah. The last time we are here, we have a disaster.
Remember?
Come on, over. Pause mo lang. Pause.
It's very hard. Cannot speak.
Take a look at that, guys. The road. Very hard to, you know. Look all of my buddies here. They all tired. Especially me.
Oh, challenging here. This way more challenging. Look like right triangle. Very hard.
Hey, how about you? What can you say?
Hard.
Yeah.
For the second time. But for the first time, I cannot go here with the bike.
Because we have disaster.
Yeah,
You
for the
walk.
first time.
and you walk with that guy.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey. Hey.
we stop for 5 minutes.
You're deep breath. I'm so tired.
Yeah, me too.
You drink.
We stop for a while. We'll just rest and we come back. Okay.
Malus ang tuhod ko.
Bye bye.
Nangangalus ang tuhod ko.
Mo ina si paring Will, naman.
Ay hindi, ini sinabihan ko. Sabi ko pre, baka tumakbo kami ng pagsanhan. Nilalagyan yung anak ko.
Pakita mo yung bike natin.
This is our bike. Newly assembled with new parts, new spare parts.
Iyan mo, dito. Pwede. We just turn around this bike. You know,
This new gear. What you call this? The
the rapid fire.
rapid fire.
This bike was the disaster we have came along last week. But you know, take a look at this.
All the genuine parts
This is a Tony Shimano roller with a pulley
from Obet Yusulon.
from Obet store in Quezon. And this is the new crank arms, Altus, Shimano. And this is the rapid fire. Take a look at this.
Siman, Alto Siman.
Yeah, and this I
Big.
guarantee you this is we're very good in
How about the
uphill.
How about the tire?
That are Maxis.
Maxis Alvarado.
Yeah. And that our new bike over there, the yellow one.
530 ako gawa niyo.
Compadre, Canon din from Italy.
Napulit ako kay Car, kaya nagising ako.
Handlebar,
540
Euro
na.
Ace,
150 mo din.
105 Shimano.
Ay, mas
Caliper brake.
Gusto nyo sa sala.
105 hubs. Same as the back. We have how many speed here? 9 speed. The roller, 105 also. And the crank arms. Very light to carry. And oh, that's my bike. That's your bike. Yeah, new look. Giant. The bike of my friend also, Robinson. Giant mate and alloy. And also, this is my bike.
Yun na nasabi. Hindi naman yung lolo ko.
This is my bike.
Ah.
Called Lago Mate. Double wall, MOB brake pad. Yellow calls in good condition. We ride for a while. We stop. Alright.
Very easy. Going to Sampaloc Tanay, very easy.
We stop over here at the magnetic field. It's
Pagpawid, dumanda kay para William.
matanda.
William. Pare, ano, musta na?
Magnetic field di.
Wala yan.
Yaman ko Kung kami lakad ko.
Oy, hindi na kami tumagal doon, hindi kami makaahon.
Tricycle nga, balik eh. May motor yun. Ay kami pa. Sabi mo, binisikleta. After biking, you take a cigarette. Very good to your health. Bad.
The Sergeant General is dead.
Kasi tama-tama, baka wala pang isang oras natin.
Wala.
Tirahan yan eh.
Papalipas lang tayo ng tuyo mo kalsada. Ganito na nangyayari sa amin, nasasar kami, biglang umulan, umambon. Punta kami sa may tindahan. Medyo isa-isa. Yung pala doon lang umulan. Doon namin doon tuyo.
Yes tayo, no?
Oo. Dito, pulo-pulo din ang ulan eh. Pero ito malaki siya.
Madalas. Ha? Madalas. Hindi ka naman makakapag-control niya pag ang bisikleta mo. Kaya pwede yan, nakatukod ang preno mo sa likuran. Kapit, adjust ka na sa umurapan ka pa sundot na sundot. Eh, parang ba ang ilalagay mo sa iyo?
Wala po.
Sama yung daan. Kita mo yung daan ito. Daan, hindi mo ulan. Lag na tanga, habulin natin dito. Bakit tumigil? Pare, lag na tanga, habulin natin. Habulin na dala akong damit. Maya, nilamig na ako, papalit na ako ng damit. Akala ko naman damit, dalan-dalan nyo kanina kasi may mga plastic eh. Interior.
We have to, we find the shelter here. We're now accomplish our room. No. I'm very happy. We'll finish our room. Okay.
Break our record last week.